Tes Omid base. We're up to the middle of the Omid already, and it's towards the end of Perik Shmini, a little bit before Halacha Yud. Tona of Hoshia. Yoshea Yosh Kesubos. That means Yosha Ba. Or as we say, the brother. In the story there's a father, a husband, a wife, and a brother. The husband died, then she died. There's two people fighting over the Nechasim that we're specifically talking about is the Nechsim Loi and the Ksubah, the designated piece of karka for her Ksubah. Who's fighting over it? Her father and her husband's brother. So he says, who is Chayv to Kvura? The one that gets means Yoshaba. The brother is Chayv for the expenses of Kvura. We wouldn't know this. So usually we say a woman that dies, since she has a ksuba, it's part of the tenorm that a husband has to do. But here, the husband died already, so why you bechive the brother to make a kvura? The kasha, but if it's sure, isha in la ksuba, shama in la kvura. Let's say it's machlek ksubas. If asha in ksubas yesh kvura, but halacha yesh ksuba. Here, it's the whole idea is that she lost it because the husband died already. So she doesn't have a husband that is chayav to do the kvura. And usually we say, okay, the husband died, she gets the ksuba, she with that money, you take off for the kvura. But here, the brother yashins the ksuba. So there's no kvura, there's no money for kvura for her. Look the Mishnah. And here, now go to this din, but a little bit more details. And here, loy ochel mois, you look at karka ochel peris. So the brother died, and he does yibum. So what does he do with all the money that his brother left over? So the klal is he has to take that money and convert it into karka. Meshubet for her ksuba. Pesach kushim karka, karka pesach. Pesach and bar karka. So same thing. He may have used a certain amount of money that she owns here, even though it comes from the brother. But everything that comes from the brother has to be miyuchet for her ksuba. So you have to view that there is a certain amount of Paris here that she bought in. The value of the Paris that you had before, what karka is more worth, that part he has to designate with karka. And for states of that karka is also miyuchet for ksuba. Come on, Pesach bar karka shaloi, tush karka. Even if it's talish, Chum say it's not so clear. Why should she get it? Maybe he could just eat it up. Because we understand that it's not exactly like a regular case where a woman she owns it. Here, if anything that's going to grow later on, he's going to get to keep. So maybe even if before it's not hers. It's just that we have to be meshavet everything that we can for ksuba. But it could be that he can be toifus. Kan hu zache, So this is the thing that it helps Tfisa for the brother to take the other pace. So only thing is that your ksuba is hinged on the money from the first bow. Even if it's because by him, this din that he niach mois, the brother left over mois, we take that money and we buy a piece of karka for her. Because all the metaltalim is everything is meshubit for ksuba. Cannot say that. Rabbi Shem Rabbi Yochanan leist kan shaloi ela shaloi. He's magia in the Mishnah, not shaloi shaloi. So Mishnah says peis mechabar mekarka shaloi, and for some reason Rabbi holds no. Here you have to be machmer even more and say that you take that Paris and you buy karka. It's very interesting why so machmer by Yov. But what thing do we say that's not his? In Kodam HaYorish, the Tofas, Metziyim Yad. So nothing more saying that doesn't mean exactly that you have to buy. Yeah, that's what it means. You cannot eat up the mechuber. He must use the mechuber to buy karka with it. In other words, even before the Mishnah before, we had this shit that go after the Shas Knisa, he can tear it up and do whatever he wants with it. No, here we say we have to give her a share, equal share in it. Doesn't even help Tfisa. When asking a question, Abba Ba'al Choiv, in a hundred Tfisas Ba'al Choiv, Laker Mechubarim. What's the Lacher by Ba'al Choiv? Here is Tfisa is worthless. Still take it away from him and we buy. Ba'al Choiv that takes from Yisoimim, rips off Batalton. Does such a Tfisa help or not? We can't only Yosh Ba'al Choiv Shekot Echma Metofas Ein Metziyim Yad. So we see that the Tfisa of a regular Ba'al Choiv helps. Okay, we'll leave this for the next blast. This is going to be mem test on the base.